What a mess. Look at all this stuff. You know, I really wish that I could put this all like in one sort of cabinet thing. Maybe I'll do that. So let's see, we have a laptop, desktop, Nook, Raspberry Pi, QNAP, server, laptop. Now, I wish I could put these in something. Then I could work on all these projects I have, and this could be like a storage area or something like that. Let me think. So what do you think? I think that I need a server rack. And then I could stuff some things in there and then go from there. Let's see, so how big should our rack be? So I probably want it like about, and then we could shove everything in there and go from there. Let's go to Amazon, and there's some nice racks. Racks are expensive though. I want a cheap rack. I'm a cheapo. So I don't have anybody locally I can get them from. I live sort of in a rural area, so server racks are hard to come by. But if you don't live in a rural area, you're lucky because you have lots of people you can get free racks from. Oh, there we go. That looks nice, and let's see, it even has wheels on it. So let's click add to cart, or let's click buy now. Whoa, what? How did that get here? It's like magic. Amazon is so fast these days. So what do we have here? So it looks like we have our Rosewell rack, and we got the 12U one because it was on sale. I actually got a few shelves too. And so the idea is we're going to stuff everything inside this thing. I'm probably going to get rid of some stuff though too. I even have to admit that I have too many computers and servers and things like that. What I'm going to try to do is get them all down into a 3U and a 2U or a 4U server, and well, still I have some Raspberry Pis and some other stuff, but basically I'm going to cram as much into this as possible. I was going to have some footage of me putting it together, but I actually deleted it by accident. That's why you should always have a backup. And here you can see it has markers and it says what U you're on. So this is the 12U one, all the way down to the bottom. You will need some supports going across here to the other side for your server. So one little quick tip, besides just measuring how tall you want it here, make sure that when it's near something, you can actually still open your drawers. So just this short video for today, and stay tuned, as what we're going to be doing is slowly building up our rack and putting things in there. The next thing I'm going to be doing is rebuilding a server so we'll fit in the rack, and we're going to go from there. Take care and have a great day. Bye-bye. And a special thank you to all my patrons, who without your support this channel would not be possible. And if you haven't already, please think about becoming a patron and supporting the channel you love.